getting excited now. Riding down, pick up the trailer, take it back, get the truck loaded on it, and head down to the beach. Awesome show, I'm telling you. It's going to be a blast. Like 5 days of car shows coming up, guys. So this is going to be a good couple of days for us. Down picking up the trailer. Look at this, what we find in the barn. Sweet, huh? All right, here's the trailer. We're going to get her hooked up and get her up the house. All right, we're going to get the truck loaded up. I'm just concerned the bumper's going to bottom out on this one because it's the first time I put the truck into this trailer. A little bigger than the 55. We're in though. Alright guys, I got the old truck in the back there. We're about halfway through the trip. We're at the Bay Bridge. Put this up. Check the weather. The weather is going to be beautiful all week. At some points we're going to be literally where we can sit in our chairs at the car show and look out at the ocean. So once again, I'm looking forward to this. It is going to be a blast. But take a second and let's check out where we're at right now. We're gonna keep moving down the road. All right, we made it down nice and safe. I did notice with the truck in the trailer, all 4 of my straps had come just a little loose, which is odd because I've towed the 55 many times and never had the car come loose, but the truck has. So I'll have to double check that on my way back home. But now we're here. Let's get this thing off the truck. I mean, off the trailer. You registered for the show?
Registered.
Awesome. 5 days. Look at this, boys. Nice old truck. Some classic old welds. Clean interior. Nice. Maybe Dakota Digitals. Not sure. Can't see it. No, it's Voodoo. I'm sorry. Or VDO. Nice fat wheel tubs, apparently. That. Ooh, bite me. Awesome, sweet old truck. Ooh, another badass old truck. Nice meat on the back. Sweet. What year is this? 75. Awesome.
Mixture of all kinds of different year parts.
That's it, right? That's what makes it happen.
We're all the same.
There you go. I like the meat. Right there. Aluminum dash. Sweet. Everybody's in here just registering. We're gonna swing over here and check out this badass Camaro. Oh, some nice paintwork. Got some fat Hoosiers on the back. Oh wow, pretty clean stock interior. I like it. I like how you did that. Yes sir, buddy. Boy, look at that pretty C10. US mags on it. Awesome. I'm not exactly sure of the grill, but I think 67. Not sure. Pretty, man. Awesome, awesome truck. Ooh. Nice interior. I like the color combo. Sweet. Nice job on the bed. Awesome. Sweet old truck. All right, so that's different. You don't see that much, huh? Cool. That's what makes this hobby the best. Because you do your own twist on things. Because you know how it goes. If everybody did the same thing, it'd be a parking lot full of the same cars. Awesome. No. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is just registration. Nice Camaro right there. A couple of 57, 55, about 4 doors. Awesome. Yes. Pro Street 68. Big old cow up on that thing. Nice classic welds. Clean interior. Stripe combo, sweet. Got a little meat going on there. Nice job. Nice job, dude. Oh, nice. Classic crackers on it. Oh, we got some meat under that mother. Yeah. Apparently it's a 69. Oh yeah. Meat. Awesome. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. I'd like to take a second, ask you to support the channel. The only thing you have to do, and it's completely free, hit this like button, come down here, hit that sub button, click on the little bell and hit all. That way you'll get notifications every time we put up a new video. And like I say, it's free and it really supports the channel. So thanks a lot, and back to the video. Oh man, that sounds good, buddy.
Thank you.
Oh. Oh no, it's good. All right. And we got some meat. Window. Awesome. Yeah. Sweet. How's it going, bud? Oh man, have a look at this cool tow truck. That's freaking awesome. Oh, cool.
I got a 38 Chevy.
That's so badass.
I bring it down here. It's all about having fun.
Original owner.
I just had new carpet put in it, put new radial tires on. It's got 48,000 miles.
Nice.
But it's got a squirrely semi-automatic transmission.
That's so cool.
The transmission has gearbox with oil in it and the automatic.
Oh man, I've been running across this parking lot trying to catch up with this car, this truck on this trailer. Wait to see this bad boy. Oh, would you look at that? Oh yeah, she's beat nice, man. On the ground. Oh man, this is a C20. This ain't even a C10. Oh, she's sitting on the ground there. Interior looks badass. Nice wooden bed for the bags, I guess. See how it sits so high, so I'm sure it's to compensate for the airbags in this thing. Oh man. Oh, if I see this one out running around, trust me, I'll get video of it. Awesome truck. Got us a 55 Ford here. Nice rims, looking smooth. Nice job on the interior. Real classy looking. Nice, I like it. Nice wooden bed, fine ass cooler. There you go, look at that. Right next to the old bucket. She old roached out. 47 Chevy. Nice some rust on there. Look like it might be on an S10 chassis as well. Nice hard top. Some old school craggers. Nice chrome. Let's check out the interior. Trying to make shifter knob anyway. Sweet. Awesome old GMC. Hi. Good. Is this yours or his?
Yes?
Yeah.
This is mine.
He left the lights on. There you go. Nothing worse than starting your weekend off with a dead battery, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
All right. Phew. Some under. Nice. All right, guys, that's a look at the first day down. Registration and kickoff show Wednesday. And not really a show, it's just registration, and everybody kind of piles through here. So a lot of cool stuff we just got to look at. We're going to be heading to the Coffee Beanery. Nice big show up there. So stick around for that, and let's head up that way.